Let me show you how to make these delicious crunchy chicken wings. Combine chicken bouillon, chicken seasoning, paprika, complete season, garlic and onion powder, black pepper and some sesame. We're going to go ahead, add that generous to the meat. We're going to reserve some for frying later on. Once that's mixed in, you're going to set aside and we're going to create our batter. In a Ziploc bag, we'll add all-purpose flour, baking powder and cornstarch, and we're going to give this a good mix with the remainder of seasoning. Then we're going to reserve a couple tablespoons, mix that with some water. We're going to pour this onto the chicken and mix well to coat all the chicken before dipping it into the remaining dry mixture. That's how we're going to get that nice crispy texture on the outside and tenderness on the inside. Now we're going to coat the chicken in the dry flour mixture, coat it generously, place to set for about 10 to 15 minutes before frying. Then into preheated oil of 350 degrees, we're going to go ahead and drop our chicken and allow this to cook until it's fully cooked. These are some large chicken wings, so it takes a longer time to cook. I allow these to fry for at least 12 to 15 minutes. Remove and drain on a wire rack and your wings are ready. This can make regular fried chicken and it's just as crispy. The crunch on this is amazing. Comment down below and let me know if you'd give this recipe a try. I served this up with some pasta salad on the side and let me tell you, it was to die for. Thanks for watching. Bye now.